In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real estate website in WordPress for free in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional looking to expand your online presence, setting up a real estate website on WordPress is a straightforward process that doesn't require any coding skills. So, let's dive right in and transform your ideas into a fully functional website. First, navigate to WordPress.com using your web browser. This is your gateway to an easy and user-friendly website creation experience. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you already do, simply enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. In your dashboard, you'll find a streamlined interface that might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance. Don't worry, it's actually quite intuitive. Next, you should look for the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Plugins. Plugins are essential tools that add specific features to your WordPress site, and for a real estate site, we'll be looking at some specific ones that are particularly useful. Click on this section to explore what's available. Once you're in the Plugins section, look for the option that says Add New. This is where the magic happens, because WordPress offers a plethora of plugins designed to meet your specific needs. You'll see a search bar. Type in Real Estate. This will pull up a comprehensive list of plugins tailored for real estate purposes. One of the great things about WordPress is the number of free plugin options you can use. Look through the available plugins and find one that suits your needs. When you find one that catches your eye, click Install. This will download the plugin to your site. After it installs, you'll see an option to activate it. Click on Activate to get everything up and running. At this point, you should have a basic website structure set up for your real estate business. You'll want to spend some time configuring the plugin to make sure it fits your style and brand. Most plugins will offer customization options, so feel free to explore them to reflect your unique approach. Adding content, such as property listings, photos, and descriptions, will give your website a robust look. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've set the foundation for a comprehensive real estate website using WordPress. Building a website is just the first step. As you continue to learn and grow, your website can evolve with you. Thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoy your new online presence.